Hello friends, welcome back to Reubens channel. This video is about Thailand Street Foods. I hope you enjoy it. And I find a big crocodiles. Actually, they're actually not cooked. Yeah, they kept it just for seeing. Everybody came to see that. Oh my gosh, they're really frying a crocodile. Cool. Yeah. And look, the crocodiles. Big. Dan kita ngeliatin the crocodile. And look, the crocodile's about to get bigger. Oh no, they're gonna eat watermelons. Whoa, okay, I'm kidding. Oh my, they eat 2 freaking tons. And they're frying cookies. And doing small candies, sweets and everything. Chips. And everything are there. Every single candy and sweets, whatever you imagine, is there. Not everything. So, yeah. And they're doing these cool things. Some of us didn't even know these. Or some of them. Like some people from our countries. And look. There are more rhymes. Yes. You know what's my favorite, guys? Link that in comment. And the most interesting part. This is not interesting part. There's even a KFC in this one. Cool. Even lights. Everything there. They even have cotton candy. Even those little burger things, which we bought both. Yeah, when we were yeah. I'm not morning, night for night. I'm when we went for night. Now we have more frams, more candy, more biscuits, more everything. And everything more. This is looking awesome. Chip. Where is my chip? There is my chip. Cool. I love these boys. Yeah, when I went to a cool mall, it was like so many cool things. Well, it was so interesting. They didn't even allow it to touch. So yeah, I'm not going to do it. But still, I got a puppet from Nong Nooch. Remember to watch that. Rah. They even had jackfruits. It's a durian, not a jackfruit. Yeah. More sweets, more candy, more everything, more fries. Yo, we eaten those fries. They're even fried insects. They eat cockroaches. Not any type of cockroaches. These cockroaches. Yeah. Cool. Red palm. And everything else. They even eat frogs. Scorpions. Spiders. Well, that's not a spider. They're grilled frogs. They even have crickets. They eat so many crickets. And they even eat scorpions. You may be wondering they ate all of this. Well, half. They even have frog food. Who would even eat frogs? Well, half. And look. More chicken twikies. I don't have to be near an adventure. You may want. Look, the squid. The scorpion. Look. Oh, yes. This one's carved about. The word is cool. I like it. The big fish. Oh my gosh. More fish. Even a spinach. Cool. They're taking off the fish. They even eat heads. We do eat fish. how we eat the heads. But we do eat the whole body. There's a grill to fry the fishes. And there are more things here. More street food. This is BBQ porks. So thank you for watching and subscribing. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.